Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. In today's episode, we're about to embark on a transformative journey. We'll explore how ChatGPT, a marvel of artificial intelligence, can be your ultimate guide to mastering any skill quickly. So fasten your seatbelts and let's dive in. In our rapidly evolving world, the ability to learn and adapt is paramount. But what if you had a tool that could streamline your learning process? That's where ChatGPT comes in. It's not just a chatbot. It's a powerful learning companion. Always ready to assist and guide you. From helping you understand complex topics to offering tailored advice, ChatGPT is transforming the learning landscape. We all know that consistency is the key to mastering any skill. But creating a study plan can be daunting. With ChatGPT, you can craft a study schedule that's perfectly tailored to your needs. It takes into account your goals, available time, and even your learning style. No more guesswork or feeling overwhelmed. With ChatGPT's guidance, you'll have a clear path to success. Ensuring you make the most of every study session. In our information-packed world, time is of the essence. But what if you could grasp the essence of a lengthy book or article in just a few minutes? With ChatGPT's summarization capabilities, you can. It distills information, highlighting key concepts and insights for you. This means you can cover more ground in less time. Ensuring you stay updated and informed without getting bogged down by information overload. Learning is a continuous process. and it's essential to gauge your progress. ChatGPT offers a unique feature where you can challenge yourself with quizzes and tests. These aren't just random questions. They're tailored to what you've been studying, ensuring they're relevant and effective. Immediate feedback helps you identify areas of improvement. Ensuring you're always on the right track. It's like having a personal tutor who knows exactly where you need help. The internet is a vast ocean of resources. But finding the right ones can be like finding a needle in a haystack. ChatGPT comes to the rescue by suggesting tailored resources that align with your learning objectives. From in-depth articles to interactive tutorials, it's got you covered. With the right resources at your fingertips, your learning journey becomes more efficient and enjoyable. No more wasted time on irrelevant or outdated materials. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey with AI Tools, your survival kit. The world of AI is vast and ever-evolving, and we're here to ensure you stay ahead of the curve. With tools like ChatGPT, the future of learning looks brighter than ever. Stay curious, embrace the power of AI, and continue your quest for knowledge. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. Until next time.